Boo. Who's that? Who is that? Is that Bo? He's trying to sit up, guys. I'm so proud of him. Yeah. Look at all the gems. I think he's got 1, 2, 3. He might have a 4th one hidden down here. And then Mama, stop making fun of me. Who is that? Who is that? It's really, really icky outside today, so we're hanging out, not knowing really what to do. I don't know if you guys can, probably not. The raindrops, maybe? There we go. It's just uber gross. We don't want to watch television. We don't want to work out. No, I don't want to work out. He wants to cry. So say goodbye. Look at yourself and say goodbye. Bye.